Magic Johnson shows off his massive yacht while on vacation. So definitely we get to see that Magic Johnson is showing off his expensive luxurious yacht as he was on a yacht. So must be nice. So we get to see that my Magic Johnson, the legendary basketballer and entrepreneur, has been making headlines recently. Of the latest development involves his thoughts on the new ownership of LA Lux. Johnson experienced his support to from the team's new owner, and then we get to see that the clip shared by Johnson as he was all having some exercises and getting to show us his new jet as he was on a vacation, with the caption, "You don't need much motivation to work out with this beautiful backdrop."